In this video, I will show you a website that pays you up to $1,000 per day for simply reading. You do not have to create a book, do any marketing, selling, or anything like that. You will just simply read and earn money with Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. I wanted to share this information with you after seeing that individuals were earning $50 to $1,000 per completed task just by reading Kindle Direct Publishing books. If this is something that interests you, be sure to watch this video all the way through because I will show you how you can do it too. And just so you guys know, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I will outline everything for you, including the name of the site, how you can register, receive payments, and any other relevant information. Consequently, let's go on to my PC screen. This website's domain name is acx.com. ACX collaborates with a variety of businesses, such as iTunes, Audible, and Amazon, to convert ebooks into audiobooks, a practice that is extremely popular, particularly on Amazon KDP. Now that your job will be to take on the role of a voice actor or narrator. The only thing left to do is locate a book that will complement your voice and tone. Then after that, you'll need to capture it in samples and submit them to the author. However, we'll cover all of that in more detail later. You may check out the ACX University on the page to see how they may coach you if you don't already have the necessary abilities. They can educate you on how to be a voice character actor and become a successful narrator. Upon discovering a book that interests you and one that you believe will complement your voice, you will need to audition, and I'll explain everything in a moment, so please bear with me. Therefore, in addition to writing a rough copy, you'll also need to complete a fully polished version and submit it. And the purpose of this is to ensure that your voice matches what the author wants to hear and use. You may perform this as an expert or a newbie, and they will instruct you using various tutorials and their ACX University. And you also have the chance to make additional cash through their affiliate marketing program. Let's explore how you can locate the book that is convenient for you. So, as you can see, there are 2,189 distinct books available for narration, and these are the ones that are presently taking auditions. Therefore, you may browse through these many books and utilize the category side to pick the one that's perfect for you. You can also focus your search by selecting the various types and genres that suit you. These are only a few selections of books, but you will notice that there are more than 180 pages in all. So there are many opportunities even to this day, as I indicated. So let's explore together to discover the ideal book for me. I'll be searching for authors who are searching for a character that complements me. Therefore, we want to limit the search. I will thus select a male narrator as that is what the author is aiming for. Since my voice does sound older, I'm also going to adjust the age range and seek especially authors that are searching for middle-aged individuals. And you can modify it right there by just clicking on the profile filter. As a result, if we only use this particular book as an illustration, we will see that the author estimates it will take approximately 9.1 hours to read this book. And no, you don't need to complete this reading all in one sitting. You can begin and pause when you need to, and we'll discuss those criteria later. However, you should also scroll down to ensure that your dialect matches their requirements perfectly. I would make an excellent narrator for this book as they're searching for an older male with a general American accent, but I would still need to audition. You may select the novels you like and wish to read. I recommend that you review the book listing and read the reviews if there is a link to it on Amazon, since you may not wish to read anything that might not be appropriate for your reputation or beliefs. If you don't want to take on a job that long, you may find novels that will take you no more than 3 hours. You can discover books like this one that only claims to take 0.3 hours to read, making this a fast and simple way to make cash. Or you could consider something like this one, which will take you 2.9 hours to read. Just note that the fewer hours you work, the less money you'll make. Nevertheless, this author is providing between $50 and $100 for each completed hour, which implies that you will be paid from the moment you hit the record button until you press the pause button. Therefore, anything additional you do aside from that, like reading the book prior to you narrating it, you will not be paid for it. Now, these were only a few illustrations of quick money, but there are some significant earnings to be generated on this website. I'm going to give you an illustration of one author offering to pay up to $1,000 for each hour you read. Let's discuss some of the more lucrative novels. In some cases, there are novels like this one, where the author is offering up to $1,000 for approximately 10 minutes of reading. However, most lucrative novels are likely to be heavier or lengthier novels. Thus, the total time required to finish this book is 10.4 hours, for which you will be earning money. For this example, the creator will pay you between $200 and $400 for each completed hour. So your potential income from just this book alone ranges from $2,080 to $4,160, and reading it just took you around 10.4 hours. However, once more, this includes only the time from the moment you press begin until complete. I simply want to be transparent and clear that if you read the book in advance, it is not taken into account when calculating your hours. Let's now examine the compensation structure, which is actually very amazing because it gives you 3 possibilities. The creator has the option to decide how they want to pay you. Paid per hour, royalty plus, or simply royalty. However, you'll constantly see it here, so you won't be caught off guard by it. You have the option of selecting the royalty share plus, in which case you will get a portion of the proceeds from each audiobook sale. They are utilizing your voice to generate income, which is why this is the case of them paying you a portion of each sale if you select that option. Therefore, based on how well the book sells, this payment option might be quite wonderful for you. But I will explain what you need to consider before deciding whether you wish to select the paid per hour or the royalty share plus. The royalty share plus does come with hourly compensation. However, it may not be between $200 and $400 per hour. Instead, it will be a bargained hourly wage plus royalties from every book that is sold. The issue, though, is that since this book hasn't been posted yet, you have no clue how well it will perform. Thus, if you decide to pick the royalty share plus, you should look for publications that have already been listed and selling quite well. This will benefit you more in the long run. As you will see here, this one indicates that it will take 13 hours to complete. They only provide a royalty share or royalty plus, which will either include accepting full royalty money or providing royalty plus an hourly salary. However, given that similar publications have previously generated sales, you can at least see that this one is doing well and that further sales, particularly for the audiobook edition of the novel, are expected. So once more, this is one of the payment options you may select. However, before choosing a payment option that is based on royalties, I would seriously encourage you to ensure that the book has already been performing well with sales. Look through reviews to get an idea of how well a book is selling. A book is probably selling well if it has a lot of reviews, and vice versa. So let's summarize everything by going over the 8 phases you must complete before receiving payment. The first step is to create a profile. This is just necessary for you to be compensated. Submitting several voice samples of your narration will be the second step. Consequently, you should create and submit as many examples as you can for the authors to view. All of these recording examples and your voice's diversity can help you be rewarded more quickly. Especially if you can change the pitch of your voice, make it softer, use various accents, sound like a youngster then to an adult, and perform other voices. We've previously discussed the 3 distinct methods you may get paid, so step number 3 will be deciding the type of payment you want to receive. The 4th step is auditioning, so after you've identified a book that interests you and suits your voice and style, you may upload your recording examples by submitting a submission for a particular novel. In the 5th and 6th steps, you'll accept the proposal and begin recording the actual book that you auditioned for if you agree to the offer. In order to ensure that there aren't any background noises and that you aren't listening to the entire book just to realize that you made a mistake, it is advised that you pause and re-listen every 15 minutes. The 7th step is to collaborate with other experts or voiceover actors. This implies that you may hire several contractors to perform voice acting for you while you receive payment and offer them a portion of that payment. And for the final steps, after finishing the recording, submit it in to be reviewed by an automatic system that will detect any unwelcome background noise, and from there you will be compensated. Now that you know what they regard to be acceptable and the various standards, you may give it a try if you believe this is the right opportunity for you. Overall, you can make a respectable amount of money with this method. I hope you found some valuable information in this video, and that's all there is to it. Before we leave, be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we release a new video on how to make money online or new innovative strategies to achieve financial freedom. And you can get started right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up and don't be hesitant to leave a comment down below if you have any questions or comments about it. With that being noted, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next video.